Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so you can move fast. Create your account, verify email, and enable 2FA for security. Once done, import a prepared CSV that matches the app template, ID, name, email, consent, because consistent headers prevent errors later. Next, link a payment method and complete KYC if prompted. This unlocks payouts. Make sure to review privacy flags and consent columns, since the app uses them to screen records before upload and avoid rejects. Now you configure mappings and run an upload validation. First, map CSV columns to the app schema so email fields and ID align. This prevents mismatched records. Next, apply filters, for example, consent equals yes, country equals US, age greater or equal 18, because buyers require compliant segments. Run a dry run validation. It shows format, duplicate, or policy warnings without committing. If the dry run looks clean, proceed to full upload and label the dataset clearly so buyers find it quickly, and bidding starts immediately. Finish by publishing and monitoring performance. Set a price, visibility, and licensing terms so buyers understand usage. This affects demand. After publishing, watch the dashboard for upload stats, buyer requests, and payout status. Respond to inquiries promptly to close deals. If the dataset is rejected, consult the rejection log. Common causes are row-level errors, missing consent flags, or schema mismatch, and fix source CSV, then rerun the dry run. When in doubt, remap fields and validate again before republishing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.